5 lakaras are there. Lut, present tense. Lot, imperative. Lut, future. Lung, imperfect or past tense. And vidhiling means potential. Like should do in that manner. Now bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. If I want to say likhet, I will say likhet, likhetam, likheyuhu. We'll practice it once I finish this. That Guru Shabda and this both we will practice. You will say and I will correct it if needed. Okay. Bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. Next is bhavehe. Bhavehe. Okay, bhavehe. Bhavetam. Why it is easy? Because agachat, agachatam. There tam was there. Agachatam. Only a you have to add. This is how you will remember. Not that you will go on by hearting everything. Some changes you remember. That's all. Bhavet. See, one small will change the equation. Bhavehe, bhavetam, bhavet. Okay. Next is bhaveyam. Bhaveyam. Bhaveva. Bhaveva. Bhavema. Bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. Bhavehe, bhavetam, bhavet. Bhaveyam, bhaveva, bhavema. If I say you decline dhatu raksha, so rakshet, rakshetam, raksheyuhu. Rakshehe, rakshetam, rakshet. Raksheyam, raksheva, rakshema. Any dhatu I can decline like this. If you want to say भगवान ने मेरी रक्षा करनी चाहिए, चाहिए अर्थ केम देन ईश्वरः माम रक्षेत, रक्षेत half the. Okay, first you write down this, then both will practice. One shabda you will decline, so I will understand whether you can decline or not.
If you want to decline, actually, pat.
Yes, very nice. Pathe. Yes.
Pathet, pathetam, patheyu.
Perfect. I want to say all people should study Sanskrit. So I will say lokaha or janaha संस्कृतम पठेयुहु. सब लोगों ने पढ़ना चाहिए. ते also ते पठेयुहु. That is there. सह पठेत, तौ पठेताम, ते पठेयुहु. That is only pronoun. Meenakshi ji, any doubt?
No, sir. I will try. Sir, like bhavet, can we say gayet? No.
Yes, all dhatu. See, there is no restriction. You know one dhatu, you can decline in 10 lakaras.
Gayet.
That is what I told you. Gayeyuhu. Like balakaha gayeyuhu. All children should sing. Balakaha Samskrita Geetam Gayeyuhu. All children should sing Sanskrit Geetam. Tvam Gayehe. Like Bhavehe, Tvam Gayehe. You should sing. Gayetam. Both of you should sing. Gayeta. All of you should sing. Like that. Okay. Now we'll practice a little bit. First of all, this. Agrawal ji. One sadhu shabda I will tell you. Sadhu. You have to dig.
Yeah. Yeah. First will be sadhum.
Sadhu.
Sadhu. Sadhun.
Prathama vibhakti you say once again. Prathama.
Yeah. Prathama. Okay. Sadhum. Sadhuna.
No. Some. Okay. Sadhu like this. Sadhu. Sadhu. Sadhava. This way. Right. Left. Right.
Sadhu. Sadhava. Sadhum. Sadhu. Sadhun.
Perfect.
Then sadhuna. Sadhuve.
Sadhuve nahi. Sadhave.
Sadhave. Sadhavo.
Sadhoho. No, sadhoho.
Sadhoho again. Then sadhu.
Perfect.
Sadhu.
And hey sadhu. Hey sadhu. Yes, if you want to address some sadhu, hey sadhu, Ashirvadam dadatu. Please bless me. Sadhu. Chalo. Meenakshi ji.
Which one, sir?
Difficult. Taruhu means
what is that, sir?
Vruksha. Taruhu.
Okay. Taruvah.
Taravah. This is the mistake.
Taravah.
Yes, Taravah.
Tarun.
Taruna.
Taruna. Tarave.
Yes.
Taroho. Again Taroho. Tarau.
Yes.
Taro.
I want to say on tree there is one bird. One pashu is there on that tree. How will you say? On means seventh case. Taru shabda seventh case.
Ekam.
No, first you say on what?
Tarau, no? Tarau.
Yes, tarau. One pashu is there. One pashu. Pashu is pullinga, so you have to find out ek shabda in pullinga. So we say ekah ramah. Ekah. Pashu. Pashuhu. Ekah pashuhu asti. Tarau ekah pashuhu asti. Understood what kind of sentence will come? Tarau. One bird is there. Like if story begins, then this way it will begin. Okay, so both of you understood. Only the thing is this mistake. Guravah, this and Gurave. There only chance. Otherwise, you can decline properly. Okay, now this dhatu. Agrawal ji, patet. Like he should fall. Patet.
Patet. Okay. First will be patetam. Patetam.
Wait, Meenakshi, wait.
Pateyu.
Perfect.
And then patehe.
Very nice.
Patetam.
Very nice.
Patet.
Pateta. Let you full say. Otherwise, you see here.
Yeah.
Half means
Pateta.
total different. Pateta. Next.
Pateyam. Pateva. Patema.
I want to say all fruits should fall. How will I say, Agrawalji? All fruits should fall.
Palani. Palani pateyu.
Yes. Wow. Falani pateyu, because there are many. Phalam patet. If I want to say I should never fall, how will I say, Agrawal ji? I should never fall. Aham.
Aham akadapi.
Wah. Na.
Aham akadapi apateyam.
Na pateyam. Na
pateyam. Sorry.
I should not fall. Na pateyam. Meenakshi ji, see, all sentences perfect.
Na pateyam.
Yes. I should cook. Meenakshi ji. Pachami. Pachami means I should cook.
Pachvet, sir?
No. Aham is there. Now pachet will not come.
Me. Pachami.
Yes. So here I should cook. See, bhaveyam. For aham, bhaveyam. So here aham.
Bhaveyam.
No, bhaveyam means I should be.
Pachayam.
Pacheyam. Like bhava, bhaveyam. Pacha, pacheyam. So what is the main thing here? You should be able to decline, because this we are not used to these words, you, who, and all. Bhavehe. So first you get familiarized with this word.
The second line is for tvam, is it?
Yeah, same thing. Like see, saha bhavet, tvam bhavehe, aham bhaveyam. That aham, avam, vayam, that is not going to change. That is there.
Right.
Just I am not writing it because it is understood. It is. Okay, so Meenakshi ji, one dhatu. Pachet you decline. Pachet.
Pachet, pachetam, pacheyuhu.
Yes.
Pache.
He. Pachehe.
Pachehe. Pachetam. Pachetha. Pacheyam. Pacheva. Pachema.
We all should cook. Vayam pachema. We all should cook.
Yeah? That all need not be server like that. Nothing is needed.
Vayam means we all. Vayam means we. Okay. It is easy now. Means little bit easy. Can be first time.
Can you say vayam bhojanam pachem?
Why not? Vayam mitraihi saha bhojanam pacheyam. Now you can make bigger sentences because you know first, third, all cases. That you can add. We are just trying to make it simple. Like aham pacheyam. You can add aham odanam pacheyam. Aham mitrena saha odanam pacheyam. Aham Krishnaya mitrena saha odanam pacheyam. You can add first, second, third, all. Now, one sentence we will make into many. Okay. The sentence is always our Ramaha Vanam Sitaya saha. Yeah, there is no doubt what I am writing. Gacchati or charati. Goes, roams, whatever. Okay. This is in what? Present tense. I should write lut only now because you know lut. I want to make it lot. So lot, you should know now how it declines. Charati, like gacchati, gacchatu, gacchatam, gacchanti, like that. Gacchatu, gacchatam, or bhavatu. One dhatu you have to remember of that. Lakar.
Yeah.
So Ramaha Sitaya. This way we will write down. Sitaya saha Vanam. Perfect. Charatu. Charatu means we are requesting Bhagwan, not. We are requesting Bhagwan that Bhagwan, you go with Sita Maya. You don't walk alone. So here lot.
Lot laga, yes.
Now I want to say tell like he will go. Future.
Okay.
Ramaha Sitaya saha Vanam charishyati. Ishyati you have to add.
Charishyati, right.
Charishyati. This is lut. See, now I will not say past tense, future tense. Get familiarized with this word. Rama Sitaya Sah. Okay. Now I want to add lung. Okay. Rama. You see, nothing is changing. Only verb is changing. Beauty of Sanskrit. No need to remember all. Just word you remember. Verb you remember.
Sitaya Sah Vanam Acharat.
Very nice. Acharat.
Acharat.
Lung. Because you know now acharat, acharatam, acharan. And now he should walk with Sita.
Vanam Charet.
Charet. Because today only we saw Bhavet, Bhavetam, Bhaveyuhu, Bhavehe, Bhavetam, Bhaveta.
Very good.
Okay. Now just one small thing. Now Karta will become Tritiya Vibhakti. Ramena. Karta Tritiya Vibhakti.
Right.
Sitaya will remain as it is because it is not karma. Sitaya saha vanam charyate. Ramena Sitaya saha vanam charyate, because char is the mul dhatu. That ra went up, charyate. Yes, easy. So far, whatever we have seen, it is in one slide.
Actually, this is little actually difficult.
Which one?
This actually, Karmani sentence, no? Karmani is little difficult. Karmani. I find it difficult.
Because you have to remember third case of each and first case also. And you have to remember it is Pullinga, Napunsaklinga, that also. Boli.
Right. What is the last one? I didn't get it.
This one. This one is past tense of the first one. Not passive voice of this.
Passive voice.
So this is active and this is passive. Why passive voice? Because we thought, let us recap that also. So Rama is karta here. So karmani karta tritiya. Okay. So best thing now you do this 5 shabda you decline in this, and 3 dhatus will give. So 5 plus 3, 8. You will be perfect in this. Okay. So there are no new dhatus. Okay. Few dhatus you decline, like simple one which you know. What dhatu you will decline? Whichever 3 dhatus you like, you decline. Okay. In Vidiling, 3 dhatus. You can decline Raksha dhatu, any, whichever 3 dhatus you want. Because in this chapter, no 3 dhatus. No other dhatus. Okay. Next, simple 2 rules we will see, and then we'll end up. Because this itself is a little bit heavy. Okay. Now, I told in the beginning, Tritiya Vibhakti rules will come here. So, alam shabda is there. Alam. Alam. Alam means enough. Bus. Alam means bus, paryapta. Like alam means, the first is bus, means enough now. Second meaning it comes paryaptam. Like enough we have. So if we say enough shabda in different way. Enough is enough, means bus ho gaya abhi. And I have enough money, paryapta. Enough money I have, paryapta. And enough means samartha. Enough, paryapta, samartha, all mean the same thing. Shaktah also means the same. So alam means enough. Enough. In 2 sense we say enough is enough. That way, and I have enough money, enough support. Alam. The rule is, with this alam shabda, always Tritiya Vibhakti comes. with this enough shabda, alam shabda, tritiya vibhakti comes. Okay, alam शब्द के साथ we'll write down rule. अलम शब्द के साथ तृतीया होती है. अलम शब्द के साथ तृतीया विभक्ति होती है because this chapter is attributed to tritiya vibhakti. For example, haso mat means hasna bas. So we'll say alam hasitena hasna bas. Alam vivadena, like vivad mat karo, don't argue anymore, don't argue. Alam vivadena.
This is such a विवादेन और हंसतेन, ये कौन सा लगा रहेगा?
Actually ये this is this is lute. We say like from dhatu we make some word like lekhanam. So lekhanam is actually word derived from likh dhatu. It is called lute. It is not any lakar, it is lute. So that we'll see because it's difficult one. But alam lekhanena, that lute when you make derive from dhatu, you can decline it like hasitam, hasitam, hasite, hasitani, like that. There is one stotra, Bhagwan Krishna stotra. Hasitam madhuram, gamanam madhuram. Right. All this lute. Okay.
I see.
So alam hasitena, alam vivadena. So in this chapter they have not given. Like I can say alam bhojanena, khana bas. Bhojanena, alam bhojanena, mat khao. In this sense only they have given 2-3 sentences, not much, because lute is not introduced yet. Alam hasitena, alam vivadena, alam bhojanena. Alam means enough, bas. Alam bhojanena. Okay. So one rule we saw. In next class, we'll see another application of this. Like wherever deformity is there, deformity like deaf, dumb, in that ornament, not ornament, in that organ, we use third case. Like kane, karnena badiraha. That is next application, but we'll see next class. Karnena badiraha, netrena kanaha. So wherever deformity is there in any instrument, in any organ, we use that. But that we'll see in next class. This is enough, means one whole lakar you have to remember, and guru shabda. The similarity in guru and hari is ya, there in hari, ya, haraye, harayah, and in guru, gurave, guravah. That similarity we must say. And lat, lot, lung, vidhiling, and lut. 5 we saw. In order, if I want to say lat, lot, lut, lung, vidhiling. So future tense, vidhiling today we saw, like that is potential. And then lung, imperfect or past. Then lut means future tense. Lot means adnyartha, imperative. And lat means our simple word. Practice this shabda and any three dhatu you practice. Tomorrow We will continue. Will tomorrow this chapter will end.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.